Hi there, this is Mace Kochenderfer with Colorado Reverse Mortgage. You found one of the videos in my vlog series helping you move forward in reverse, and today's question comes from Eileen J. Eileen's letter reads, Mace, over the past few years I've had friends tell me things about reverse mortgages that sounded outrageous and could turn milk sour, but recently one of my friends changed his story after spending time on your site. Now I'm curious to learn more, but still am confused. I went to your website and found there to be a lot of great information. I appreciate the thoroughness of your site, thank you, but unfortunately I get a headache when I sit at the computer for too long. Would you please explain what a reverse mortgage is and how it works? Signed, Ms. Eileen J. Eileen, I'm glad to answer your question, and I appreciate you watching my ongoing videos. The intent here is, of course, to educate the senior community and others who want to know more about financial issues that seniors face. Reverse mortgages may be a complex financial tool, and they're often misunderstood. However, complex does not necessarily mean complicated. They're just different. Because of many misperceptions, I spend quite a bit of time educating and helping folks achieve that, aha moment and help them put the pieces of the puzzle together. Your question, what is a reverse mortgage, is surely one of the most common questions asked of any reverse mortgage specialist. Today, I hope to give you a basic overview. A little background, though, should be interesting. The first reverse mortgage was done in 1961 by a savings and loan out of Portland, Maine. It was done for a Ms. Young. She was a widow of the local high school football coach. Today, about 70% of people today understand that when a person does a reverse mortgage and then later passes away, the home is then owned by the bank. And it was true that with many subsequent reverse mortgages after Mrs. Young's, the home title was retained by the bank. Clearly, this is not in the best interest of the homeowner or the heirs, and many seniors were taken advantage of. So in 1988, under President Ronald Reagan, in order to protect seniors, HUD, which is the Department of Housing and Urban Development, they gained the authority to insure reverse mortgages through the FHA. That's the Federal Housing Administration. The first FHA reverse mortgage is also known, by the way, as a home equity conversion mortgage. HECM is the acronym, and we in the industry just simply call it a HECM, HECM. So the first FHA reverse mortgage, or HECM, was issued the very next year, so 1989. Now we follow their very strict rules and guidelines. We in the reverse mortgage industry are highly regulated by the government. While at times these rules can prove to be a bit frustrating, not only for the homeowner, but for the mortgage person helping the homeowner as well. But it's these program rules that are meant to ultimately protect the senior, the heirs, and of course the lender. Now that you know a little bit about the background and history of the reverse mortgage, let me answer your question, what is a reverse mortgage? A reverse mortgage is no different than a conventional mortgage in that a lien is placed on the property. Title still remains in the name of the homeowner. To say this another way, you or your heirs still own the home, not the bank and not the government. You own the home. A reverse mortgage converts a portion of the home value into what we call the principal limit. It's this principal limit that's available to be used by the homeowner after any pre-existing liens, of course, are satisfied. The percentage that's lent through a reverse mortgage, it's also called the loan to value. The loan to value provided through the reverse mortgage is determined by a few factors. The first factor is the youngest homeowner's age. So if we've got a married couple, one who's 70 years old and the other who's 63 years old, well, we're going to be working with the age of the youngest homeowner. A 72-year-old gets more money than a 62-year-old. An 82-year-old gets more money than a 72-year-old. So the older a person is, the higher the percentage that can be lent through the reverse mortgage. Now the second item that is part of this combination is the interest rate. If interest rates are higher, well, then higher interest is being charged, which means that a lower loan amount can be established at the beginning. So the higher the interest rate, the lower amount of money a reverse mortgage will provide. So we like low interest rates. The lower the interest rate, the more money the senior homeowner gets. However, a reverse mortgage is very different than a conventional in more ways than they are similar. Okay, a HECM reverse mortgage is for homeowners 62 years old or older, and it only can occur on the homeowner's primary residence. Now, it's okay if there's a rental property or a vacation property, a second home. It's okay that a homeowner have more than just one property, but the reverse mortgage can only be completed on the homeowner's primary residence. Now, what's primary residence? That's where they spend more than 6 months out of the year. Okay, that's what we're going to acknowledge as a person's primary residence. Now, the reverse mortgage loan proceeds are not taxable, and the reverse mortgage proceeds, it can be used for whatever you want, whether it's paying off bills, an existing mortgage, home repair, car repairs, helping out friends or family, just improving the quality of your life. You can use these reverse mortgage proceeds for whatever you wish. Monthly mortgage payments are not required. It's an option. You can make monthly payments if you wish, but they're not required. What is required, however, is that you maintain your property taxes, your homeowner's insurance. You have to maintain the property in a normal manner. We want you to live in a healthy home. Of course, if you have any condominium or homeowners association, HOA fees or dues, those also have to be satisfied. Those are your responsibilities. This is still your house. Remember, you retain title to the home, you own the home. So I hope this gives you a little bit more insight into the reverse mortgage product. We've really only dipped our toe into the shallow end of the pool here. Over time and through this series, you're going to get more and more education, and I'm going to take you deeper and deeper into your understanding of what the reverse mortgage product is. I've met thousands and thousands of seniors over the years, answered many questions, and through these videos I hope to help even more people. Not all questions that we're going to discuss or that we do discuss here have to be about reverse mortgages. We can talk about a variety of financial situations that seniors run across. Please know that your questions are important, and if you've got a question, many others have the same question, so give me a call, shoot me an email. My email address is mace@co-reverse.com. My phone number is 720-828-7788. Just give me a buzz and you can talk about your specific question if you don't want to shoot me an email. Thanks, and of course, take care.